KK English channel.
Hi kids, this is the phonics we are going to learn. Please listen carefully.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
Yes, ah. Let's see what we are going to learn today. We are learning to segment 3 or more words. Read at least 3 recognizable words by blending the letters correctly. And finally, listen and spell 4 or more words correctly. Let's take a look what are the words we are going to learn. The first one, fat. Fat. Next, rat. Rat. The third word, black. 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 And the last word, bag. 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 Now, let's segment the words together. A. T. Again. A. T. Now it's your turn. Good try. The next one, R. A. T. Again, R. A. T. Now it's your turn. Good try. Next one, B. A. G. Again, B. A. G. Now it's your turn. Good try. The last word is B. L. A. K. Again, B. L. A. K. Now it's your turn. Good try. Now, let's read the words together. Fat. 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 Rat. 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 Next, black. 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 Bag. 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 Now, let's look at these short sentences. Then, listen and say.
Ah. 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 A fat rat in a black bag. A fat rat in a black bag.
Good try. Now, let's repeat one more time.
Ah. 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 A fat rat in a black bag. A fat rat in a black bag.
Well done. Let's read aloud with your own. Let's read aloud with your own. 让我们一起大声读。啊啊啊 A fat rat in a black bag. It's your turn. Good try. Now, let's read faster. A fat rat in a black bag. Now it's your turn. Good try. Now, you may take out this worksheet. Yes, if you have this worksheet, you may take out and write this sentence. You may practice again. But if you don't have the worksheet, you may copy in your writing. What is the right and match? Let's take a look. What is the next activity we are going to do? Write and match. What are we going to do with this exercise? Let's listen.
A. A black bag.
Do you hear that? He say A. So A is here on your right. Then she said a black bag. You need to fill in the blanks. You need to find from the left which one is more suitable for a black bag. Okay, I will guide you to write. Number 3 is more suitable for the phrase a black bag. So we fill in the blanks. Do you still remember A sound is the letter A? Then we need to number the picture. Do you still remember which one is a black bag? Let's listen again.
A. A black bag.
So he say A. A black bag. You need to fill the numbers beside A with this number. Do you understand? So, you may write down, and now you may pause this video until you finish this exercise. Later, after you finish, you may play again and check the answer together. Now, let's check the answer together. If you get all correct, you may give yourself 5 claps. Hooray! Let's listen and say together the phrase again. Please follow.
Workbook, page 15. 2. Write and match. Listen and say. A.
A black bag.
B.
A cat.
C.
A black hat.
D.
A fat rat.
Very good. Well done. Now, this is the
Workbook.
exercise for you. Before that, let's check what we have learned today. Now, you are able to segment 3 or more words. Ding! Then, read at least 3 recognizable words by blending the letters correctly. Ding! And the last one is listen and spell 4 or more words correctly. Yes! Well done! This is a self-learning session. This is an extra exercise for you. You may learn more words that contain "ah" sound through this YouTube link. After you watch this video, I've got a task for you. You may click on this YouTube link, then remember to watch carefully and read aloud together, so you may learn more words that contain "ah" sound. Ta-da! It's a circle map. You may draw this circle map in your writing book. In the middle of the circle, write down the phonics letter "ah." "Ah." Then you may list out as many as you can that the words that contain the "ah" sound. For example, bag. Please remember to write down your study references. What is the study references? Where you learn from "ah" sounds word. You learn from teacher, parents, YouTube, or Supermy book. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.